Hey guys, this is the intervention for 5-point MBT3, which is going over word form, expanded form, and standard form. Write the expanded form and number name for each decimal. When I look at this, I see one whole number, so I write my whole number. Now, when I do expanded form for decimals, I have to recognize that it is the place value. So this is 9 tenths because that's in the tens place. This is in the hundreds and this is in the thousands. So then I add 4 100ths plus 5 1,000ths. Its number name will be 3 and means a decimal 945. And remember what the word last name is. It's wherever it stops, it's its last name, it's the thousands. Make sure you add your TH here. Okay, and the next one in expanded form, 45.912, 40 plus 5 plus, once again, here's my tenths, my hundreds, and my thousands. There are 9 tenths. There are 1 100ths. And there are 2 1,000ths. And when I go to write that in number of name, I write 45 and 912 thousandths. Make sure you add your TH. Write 4 thousandths in base 10 numerals. So basically I want you to write it in standard form. 4,000 ends in a TH, so it has to be in my thousands place because it's ending there. That's its last name. And the thousands place is after the decimal by 2. Write 13 and, so I see and, 13 and 321 thousandths. 321, and it's in the thousands place, so that's my last place it will end. Kennedy found an average length of her mother's keys to be 1.133 inch. Write it in number name. So it wants you to write it in word form, but that's a lot to write in that small space, so we're going to do it as expanded form. So we're going to write 1 plus 1/10 plus 3 100ths plus 3 thousandths. Number 5, we're not going to do. That's for you to do on your own. Number 6, I'm only going to compare a few and I want you to finish out the rest. But since these two are single digits, I can just look and see, oh, 6 is bigger than 3 and can compare it that way. What I need you to realize down here is this one right here at 3.74 and 3.7. This has 2 digits, this has 1, so let's add the extra 0. When I do that, I realize that that's 74 and that's 70, so therefore this one is bigger. And the rest you're going to finish on your own, except for number 8. We're going to go and move number 8. My expectation is that when you are done, you are going to be finishing this side and the back, and then you will be able to check your answers with my answer key. So on the back here, it says Jeanette, Rob, and Kristen were competing in a 200-meter race. Jeanette ran the race in 34.7 seconds. Rob ran the race in 35.24 seconds. And Kristen ran the race in 35.04 seconds. Who took the least amount of time to run the race? So who ran the fastest is basically what it's asking. I can't visually see this without writing it down. Now what you need to realize is just because this has only 3 digits and the rest have 4 doesn't mean that's the fastest person. You have to add that 0 to make sure it is that fastest person. Now, what you'll notice is 34 is always smaller than 35. We don't even have to look at the decimals. So whoever ran the 34.7, which was, oops, I almost spelled it wrong, Jeanette, she was the person that ran the fastest and took the least amount of time. Your expectation is to finish this side and the back, and then you may check your answers with the science key.